What's going on, YouTube? We back with another video today. If I look a little crusty, it's because I was washing the car. Look at how beautiful she looks. And I'm here with Tiff, y'all just saw. But today, I've been pushing this kind of back because I've been doing other stuff, y'all saw. But we are installing some brand new rain guards. Y'all probably already seen me with rain guards, but it looks better with the new ones and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'll show you which one that is. So I'll cut to that. So we got the Import Racing Noble 2.0 OEM style rain guards. These are a lot thicker than the ones I had before, so they're actually a lot better. They're also like triple the price, but it's worth it. Less tinted than before though, which kind of sucks, but looks a lot better when you actually put it on the car. Oh, I think it's actually the wrong side. This is actually the passenger driver side, passenger front. So, yeah. Obviously, super easy install. Just peel the 3M tape, put it on. It's super easy. They even have an instructional video, but I'll get y'all process for the vlog. So let me go ahead and set the camera up and then record it for y'all. Just before we get onto the install, just appreciate the car, bro. Look at how shiny that is. The glitters. We don't excuse that. That's for a different video. But it looks so nice. A little dirt because we kind of just drove it out, but still super clean, bro. All right, let's get to the install now. All right, so phone dies. I'll put on jack stands for future installs, but pretty much just peel off just the little corners of it. Same on this side right here. Then start lining up with the car. Line up this top corner with the corner of the door. And then it should, everything should slide right in. Like so. Looks good. Then we peel up that side. Stick it down. Same on this side. And then stick that down. Then long strip. ASMR for y'all. Am I talking too much? My fault. There. And then stick the whole thing down. And these fit way better than the other ones. There's no lifting or none. And then just push everything down. Don't worry, guys. I wipe it down. I have fingerprints everywhere. But yeah, these are solid. I got you. Hello? Yep. Decent amount. If I had the old one still, I'll show you how much was actually taken off. So I'll show you at the end. I'll show you at the end with the full install, the difference. So yep, I'm gonna set the camera up and then we'll time lapse the rest for y'all. Got Timmy right there. All right, here's what it looks like with the rain guards on. I like these a lot better because one, they go lower, actually bigger window lower. It's one of rock these right there. But then has a little edge right here. It looks super clean. Not yet.
Nasty.
Yeah, that's the end of today's video today. If y'all liked it, go down, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Y'all get posts when I post a new video. Go down, comment what mod you do next. What's up, y'all? Same day, same night. My fault. Different products, but today that's carbon fiber front lip to install because the other lip got ripped off and scratched the shit out of my car. Got Tim and Tiff again, but let's go ahead and get straight to this install today. Alright, so I got the back screws already drilled in. Here's what it looks like after. I'm gonna go ahead and then just drill that middle hole, and then it should be held up by itself, and let's get straight to it. It has lighting. Look good. I'm not drilling it till you say yeah. Yeah? That looks so good. Stop it. Do the other side and then I'll get you first, okay? I'm gonna, okay, go ahead. Move your hand if you can. pulled the back of the drill, makes it more sturdy.
What?
Can't go fast.
Did you do it opposite? This is like taking the screw out. Bro, I swear.
Bro, you're just thinking too much about it. Go ahead, go ahead. That's it. Here's what it looks like. The brand new front lip on the car. Looks super clean. I only got one that's the front, so that if it ruins it, it's not that much. And it's still real carbon, but it's just mostly the front that's gloss. It's great. Fitment is really good. Don't mind the scratches. I'll fix that soon. I'll show you. But yeah. Got it right now. How the fuck am I supposed to do it? I'm going into the angle, bro. It works. It works. I have one. Fucking hell, I can't see shit. Today, we'll be putting on my new carbon fiber side skirts. Pretty much, it should be just 7 screws right under. I took off the old ones, and it's just like kind of like the same thing. So there's no winglet, and it's kind of a little damaged, but that's fine. And yeah, pretty much, we could go ahead and get straight to it. I'm gonna do the 2 sides first, and then work my way from the middle out. Actually, I think I'm gonna get started on the other side first. All right, guys, so I'll be honest, I thought it was recording the whole time, but it wasn't. So here's what it looks like with the new side skirt. Hella clean. Follows the body line great and everything. So now let's actually get started on that side. So yeah, like I was saying before, go ahead and drill in that side and that side, and you'll be able to like just like have it rest on the car and go from the middle out so that everything's all even. So yeah, now it's holding on by the 2 sides. This side's flimsy right here, even though it's really sturdy because this is good material. Let me go ahead and just time lapse this, and I'll show you. And now this side is completely done too. It's a little dirty right there. But that's it for today's video. Thanks for my helpers. You know, we got the beautiful cameraman, and helper. She helped too with holding it up. But yeah, if y'all like today's video, I did a lot of carbon recently. And if y'all like it, go down, like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. Y'all get posted when I post a new video. And I'll see y'all later.